Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where cozy meets beautiful and every corner of your home gets to shine. Today, we are diving deep into one of my absolute favorite seasonal transformations, Spring Farmhouse Styling with neutral tones and fresh greenery. Whether you are starting from scratch or just refreshing your space for the season, this video is your complete room-by-room guide. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and if you love farmhouse design as much as I do, drop a comment below telling me your favorite spring color. Let's get started. Before guests even step inside, your home is already telling a story, and in spring, that story should feel fresh, welcoming, and utterly charming. For a classic farmhouse exterior, think clean white or warm grayish board and batten siding paired with a matte black front door. Add a symmetrical arrangement of potted lavender, white tulips, or trailing ivy flanking your entryway. A simple wooden bench with a linen cushion near the door adds rustic charm. Hang a eucalyptus wreath instead of artificial ones. The scent alone says spring has arrived beautifully. Step inside, and your entryway sets the tone for everything that follows. In farmhouse design, this space balances function with warmth effortlessly. Mount a shiplap-backed wall organizer featuring wrought iron hooks for coats, woven sun hats, and a small key holder. Below it, a distressed wood shoe cabinet keeps things tidy without sacrificing style. Add a vintage framed mirror above a small console table to bounce light around. A jute or cotton runner mat in a neutral stripe grounds the space. Finish with a small terracotta pot of fresh herbs, practical, fragrant, and perfectly spring. The farmhouse living room in spring is all about creating that effortless, breathable layered look, what designers call curated casual. Start with a linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm white or oat. Layer in textured throw pillows in sage green, dusty blush, and soft cream. A chunky knit blanket draped over the armrest adds tactile warmth. Anchor the space with a bleached jute rug. On the coffee table, style a wooden tray with a small vase of white ranunculus, a pillar candle, and a linen-bound book. Every detail whispers spring without shouting it. A beautifully styled farmhouse dining table is the heart of spring entertaining. Begin with a raw linen table runner as your base. It immediately adds texture and an organic, earthy feel. Cluster mismatched glass bud bases down the center filled with fresh greenery, anemones, or baby's breath for that effortless gathered from the garden look. Use simple white ceramic dinnerware paired with wooden-handled flatware for a warm, handcrafted aesthetic. Wicker or rattan charger plates elevate the setting instantly. Overhead, a statement woven pendant light ties everything together. Simple, intentional, and stunning. Farmhouse tablescaping at its spring best. Your farmhouse kitchen deserves a spring refresh that feels both beautiful and hardworking. Paint lower cabinets in a soft sage green and keep upper cabinets crisp white. This two-tone approach is called a contrast kitchen, and it's incredibly on trend. Refresh cabinet hardware with brushed brass or matte black pulls. Style the top of your refrigerator with a trailing pot hose plant and a vintage wooden crate. Near the stove, hang a small iron rail with fresh herb bundles. Your small coffee machine becomes a vignette moment. Surround it with a wooden tray, a linen cloth, and a tiny spring bloom. The farmhouse family room needs to work hard. It's where the family truly exhales. Mount your flat TV on a shiplap accent wall painted in warm white, and flank it with floating wooden shelves styled with trailing greenery, framed botanical prints, and a few well-chosen books. Choose oversized, deep-seated upholstered chairs in oatmeal or warm gray for that sink-in comfort. A large wicker basket beside the sofa holds extra throws beautifully. Layer a cotton flat weave rug over hardwood floors for warmth underfoot. Soft table lamps with linen shades create that golden, intimate glow perfect for spring evenings together. Smart farmhouse living embraces multifunctional spaces that feel intentional, not cluttered. In a corner bathed in natural light, position a reclaimed wood desk. Keep it small and purposeful. On its surface, style a unique vintage desk watch, a small potted succulent, and a compact retro-style radio in cream or sage for ambient background music while you work. Nearby, carve out a reading nook with a curved accent chair, a floor lamp, a woven side table, and a stack of your favorite books. A linen curtain behind the chair softens the space and frames it like a room within a room. Your farmhouse bedroom in spring should feel like waking up inside a breath of fresh air. Start with crisp white bedding in 100% cotton percale. The slight rumpled look is intentional and incredibly chic, called effortless elegance. Layer with a lightweight linen duvet in warm sand or sage. Add European pillow shams and a hand-stitched quilt folded at the foot of the bed. On your nightstands, place small glass bud vases with a single stem of lily of the valley or white tulips. Sheer linen curtains filter morning light beautifully. This is your sanctuary, soft, still, and deeply restorative. A spring farmhouse bathroom leans into what designers call sputteral, the perfect blend of spa calm and natural texture. Surround your shower with white subway tiles and add a teakwood bath mat for warmth underfoot. At the vanity or waste-to-foul, swap out your soap dispenser for a ceramic pump bottle and add a small wooden tray holding a linen hand towel, a beeswax candle, and a tiny vase of eucalyptus. Hang a macrame wall piece above the towel bar for texture. A small potted fern on the window ledge thrives in the humidity and brings life into the room effortlessly. Most people overlook the garage, but a styled farmhouse garage is a true signature of intentional home design. Begin with organization. Mount a pegboard on one wall painted white, hung with black iron hooks for tools and garden equipment. Add open wooden shelving for storage bins labeled with simple craft paper tags. Position a potting bench near the garage door, stocked with terracotta pots, gardening gloves, and seed packets for spring planting. Hang a vintage lantern for warm light. A simple chalkboard sign with a cheerful spring message adds personality. Order meets character, and the garage becomes part of the home story. Your farmhouse patio is where spring truly comes alive. It's your outdoor living room, and it deserves the same love as every room inside. Anchor the space with a teak or acacia wood dining set dressed with linen cushions in warm cream and olive green. String Edison bulb lights overhead for that magical golden glow at dusk. Cluster large terracotta pots of lavender, rosemary, and white geraniums along the perimeter. A wicker lounge chair with a cotton throw in the corner creates an irresistible reading spot. Add a simple outdoor lantern centerpiece on the table. This is farmhouse living at its most joyful. Here is one of the most important design principles in farmhouse styling. When your palette is neutral, texture becomes your color. Without it, a neutral room falls flat and feels cold. The trick is to layer at least 5 different textures in every room. Think linen, jute, rattan, aged wood, ceramic, and soft cotton all living together harmoniously. Run your hand across your sofa, your rug, your throw, your vase, your tray. If each surface feels different to the touch, your room will feel visually rich and deeply inviting even without a single bold color in sight. Texture is the secret ingredient. Fresh greenery is the heartbeat of spring farmhouse design, but the key is restraint with intention. Choose 3 types of greenery: 1 trailing variety like pothose or ivy, 1 upright structural plant like a fiddle leaf fig or olive tree, and 1 small accent like a succulent or herb pot. Place them at varying heights, floor level, tabletop, and elevated on shelving, to create visual flow called the triangle principle. 4 cut greenery in vases, eucalyptus, fern fronds, and simple garden foliage are your best friends. Change cut stems weekly to keep the space feeling genuinely alive and seasonally fresh. Farmhouse furniture should feel timeless, not trendy. Pieces you can refresh seasonally with accessories rather than replacing entirely. Invest in solid wood tables with visible grain, upholstered sofas in durable natural fabrics, and open shelving in reclaimed or whitewashed wood. For spring, lightweight rattan and wicker accent pieces are perfect, easy to move, naturally textured, and full of warmth. Avoid overly distressed pieces that feel forced. Instead, look for furniture that tells a genuine story through its material and construction. The rule of thumb: if you can imagine it on a farmhouse veranda 100 years ago, it belongs in your home today. In farmhouse design, it's always the smallest details that create the biggest emotional impact. A bundle of dried lavender tied with twine hanging inside a cabinet door. A hand-thrown ceramic bowl holding smooth river stones on a coffee table. A vintage wooden spoon resting against a mason jar of wildflowers in the kitchen. These tiny story pieces, as designers call them, make a space feel genuinely lived in and personally curated rather than catalog perfect. Shop your own home first. Reframe, restyle, and relocate objects before buying new ones. Often the magic is already there, just waiting to be noticed and moved. The Spring Farmhouse palette is built on what color designers call warm neutrals with nature accents. Your base tones should be warm white, linen, soft sand, and aged cream. Never stark, never cool. Layer in your nature accents: sage green, dusty eucalyptus, soft terracotta, and muted olive. Avoid introducing too many accent colors. Choose 2 nature tones and let them appear throughout the home in varying intensities for visual cohesion. The goal is a palette that feels like it grew naturally from the landscape outside your window. When in doubt, hold any new piece next to natural linen. If it harmonizes, it belongs. You do not need a large budget to create a stunning spring farmhouse refresh. Some of the most beautiful touches are completely handmade. Try this. Gather branches from your garden, strip the leaves, and arrange them in a tall ceramic vase for a striking structural display. Make your own linen table runner by cutting raw linen fabric and simply fraying the edges. No sewing required. Decant your dish soap and hand lotion into matching amber glass bottles with craft paper labels for an instant kitchen and bathroom upgrade. These small, intentional DIY moments add authentic character that no store-bought item can replicate. Creativity costs nothing. Let's do a quick, satisfying run-through of everything we covered today. Outside, refresh your facade with planters and a botanical wreath. Entryway, organize with hooks, a shoe cabinet, and a welcoming mat. Living room, layer neutrals with fresh greenery. Dining room, create a nature-inspired tablescape. Kitchen, add herbs, a contrast cabinet color, and styled countertops. Family room, style your TV wall with greenery and warm lighting. Home office and reading nook, personalize with vintage accents. Bedroom, go linen and light. Bathroom, add natural textures and botanicals. Garage, organize with character. Patio, create your outdoor living room. Every space, fully spring ready. And that, my friends, is your complete spring farmhouse styling guide, from the front door all the way through every cherished corner of your home. I hope this video left you feeling inspired, energized, and ready to bring that fresh spring warmth into your own space. Remember, great design is not about perfection, it's about creating a home that genuinely feels like you. Start small, layer slowly, and enjoy every step of the process. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs a little spring inspiration. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss a design moment. We have so much more beautiful content coming your way. See you in the next one.